Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate content marketing with CoSchedule, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the CoSchedule website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your CoSchedule dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout. Locate the calendar feature on the main menu. Click on the calendar to access your content scheduling tools. To start automating, select the Create button. Choose Social Campaign from the drop-down menu. Set a title for your campaign that reflects your goal. Add social media profiles that you want to automate content for. Next, add your content by clicking Add Social Post. Select the platform for your post, such as Facebook or Twitter. Craft your post, ensuring it's engaging and relevant. You can attach images or links to enhance your content. After creating your post, set the date and time for publication. Utilize the repeat feature if you want the post to go out multiple times. Click Save to finalize your social post. Proceed to add more posts as needed. Once all posts are set, review your campaign timeline. Make any necessary adjustments to the scheduling. Next, navigate to the Analytics section of CoSchedule. This feature allows you to track engagement metrics. Analyze which posts perform best across platforms. Use these insights to refine your content strategy. Integrate your email marketing by navigating to the Email Campaigns section. Create a new email campaign to complement your social posts. Craft attention-grabbing subject lines and engaging content for your emails. Schedule your email to send at a time that aligns with your social campaign. After scheduling, review all your automated campaigns in the dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.